天氣有少少凍，上個禮拜咁 Sarah 咧咁咪話明上個禮拜咪 went home 咯，翻屋企同埋佢個姊妹唔知家姐定細妹 Pauline after they watched 睇咗套電影，跟住 as 呢隻 when 咁樣 their home 咧 was not 或者 wasn't too far 唔係離戲院咁遠 ，they decided 決定 to take a walk 散步行路翻去。instead of 見到前置詞一定用 gerund 動名詞 taking 行路唔搭巴士。跟住to get to there 翻到佢嘅村 ，they had to walk through 後邊照抄穿過個公眾公園。However 無奈 it was also midnight 午夜，哇犀利啊！睇午夜場，睇完咪2、3，應該就係過咗12點㗎啦。咁就 they 睇下後邊 people 眾數，所以 the words 或者 was not 都得。跟住 playing 話 chatting 冇人玩嗱，拎走個 people 你咪睇到係 were playing 或者 chatting 唔使加 were 噶咯喎。跟住就 whole park 咧 looked 睇嚟空溜溜同埋 scary 有啲恐怖。跟住 while they were making 行路穿過個公園之後 all the lights went out 突然間熄咗 the wind was blowing briskly 微微地吹 was blowing briskly 跟住 and the leaves were murmuring all round them 呢啲擬人法呢個字咧，即係話男低語啊，已鵝啊，或者係呢個當佢係啲樹葉向嗰啲樹傾訴啦。Sarah 只係17歲 of age， 佢個妹咧只係輕佢2歲，即係15歲。Dan her 跟住佢哋兩個都係 afraid of 怕鬼 ghosts。跟住 now everything was in darkness 係黑暗嗰個黑暗之中 in darkness 啦。跟住就係第5條。佢哋有啲驚 at this moment 喺呢個時候，因為佢哋未預期啲燈會熄咗 go out， so 咧 sudden 突然之間就熄晒，佢哋唔知點做。They are both 咧就應該就 at a loss， 有啲迷失嘅感覺，唔知點算，唔係蕩失路，係個心都唔知點解無啦啦熄晒燈。跟住 they heard a coughing sound， 一啲咳嗽聲，就係 ahead of them 喺佢哋前邊。跟住 Sarah 就大聲嗌 Who is there？ 邊個喺度？跟住嗰個 echo， 嗰啲 echo 就回音 of their own voice， 其實係佢哋自己嘅回音。彈翻轉頭 come back 就係 to them from trees，making them even more 令到佢哋更驚。然之後佢見到2個 figures。2個不知名嘅物體 appearing from behind 出現喺樹後出現。